The Australian share market is doing well today with a rise of 1.4%. Comes after the Aussie dollar reached a 10-year low this morning at 67.5 US cents. The Aussie dollar has since recovered to 69.4 US cents. But it does come after Apple came out with some bad news after market hours on Wall Street. Apple coming out to cut its first quarter revenue forecast, citing weak demand from China, and shares falling 8% after hours. As a consequence, we're seeing the Nasdaq futures down by 2.3% in Asia and S&P 500 futures down by 1.4%, pointing to a weaker session in the US tonight. Here on the Australian share market, we are seeing discretionary retailers coming under pressure after Kathmandu was the first out of the retailers to update on the crucial Christmas trading period. Kathmandu saying that in the 22 weeks up to the 30th of December, same-store sales were down by 1%. In Australia, they were down by 0.2%. In New Zealand, down by 2.4%, and Kathmandu shares down by 14% on the market today. It's a much better day for Pilbara Minerals. The shares up by 14% after a memorandum of understanding with POSCO to expand its downstream chemical facility. And we're seeing a good day also for Helios. The shares up by 8% on a highly conditional, non-binding offer coming through from its shareholder Zhang He, which already holds 15.9% in the company. The offer is at $3.25 all cash, but it is dependent on approvals from both China as well as Australia and financing at a competitive market rate for the deal. So all in all, a good day for the Australian share market, up by 1.6% despite US futures flashing red.